Welcome. Today we're diving into how YouTube's algorithm actually works, based on the latest insights and developments as of mid-2025. We'll explore the logic behind recommendations, how different formats are prioritized, and why some videos go viral while others don't.
YouTube's algorithm isn't a single monolith, it's a collection of systems tailored to different parts of the platform such as home feed, suggested videos, search, and shorts. It works dynamically, pulling in content based on user behavior, engagement, satisfaction, and increasingly AI-powered predictions. Engagement metrics, click-through rate, CTR, watch time, average view duration, likes, comments, shares, and negative feedback like not interested. Viewer satisfaction, surveys and feedback help gauge how users feel about videos, not just how long they watch. Personalization. YouTube analyzes watch history, search behavior, time of day, and device usage to tailor recommendations. AI-driven predictive modeling. Newer AI systems predict what content users will enjoy next, going beyond just past data. Long-form videos, rank by engagement and satisfaction. Viewer behavior steers what appears in the recommendations and homepage. YouTube Shorts. The algorithm tests new short videos with small audiences. If engagement is strong, they're pushed to broader viewers. Timing isn't crucial, quality and relevance are. Search and discovery. Search results factor in title, description, tags, but also how users with similar interests have engaged with the video. In July 2025, YouTube officially retired its global trending page. It's being replaced by category-specific charts, AI-powered explore pages, and tools that promote localized and personalized discovery. This marks a shift from a one-size-fits-all approach to a highly individualized content experience. When a video is uploaded, it's first shown to a small test audience. If it performs well, the algorithm gradually rolls it out to broader viewers, like a wildfire spreading across fuel-rich areas. Videos can find new life long after they're published, especially when related topics gain renewed interest. Watchful scrutiny reveals that the algorithm can unintentionally amplify negative or emotionally charged content, reinforcing user biases. Platforms outside the US, such as in Australia, are concerned about algorithm pathways that still expose minors to harmful or extremist content, prompting regulatory scrutiny. The YouTube algorithm adapts and responds, not to content creators directly, but to what viewers respond to positively. Current tips: focus on audience retention, clear and honest metadata, leveraging shorts alongside long-form, and revisiting evergreen content when interest peaks. Build trust and satisfaction rather than trying to game the system.
In summary, YouTube's algorithm in 2025 is a highly personalized, AI-driven system focused on delivering satisfying content based on real viewer signals. Understanding that it responds to how audiences behave, not just to creators, will change how we think about visibility and education on the platform. Thanks for watching and stay curious.